Hello everyone. So need help buying groceries? Here's how you can apply for CalFresh in California. This is their food stamp program in just a few minutes. So CalFresh helps low-income individuals and families buy healthy food. The fastest way to apply is through online and at getcalfresh.org, a secure state-approved website. Once you go online, you will be taken to this website here and you can apply for food stamps in just 10 minutes. This is official state of California's website. Now you need to enter basic info about like your proof of identity, household income, and living situation. It only takes 10 minutes. And after applying, your county will contact you within a week or two for a phone interview. And you'll need to provide documents like photo ID. And if you're an immigrant, you need to use your immigration status. Now, if you have any more questions, like this website should answer all of it. So, and you can send your documents online. Just click upload and send the scanned files. All right. So there will be some basic information. So because of my network, I'm sorry I'm not able to show you, but you can easily follow the steps here. So if you're approved, you will receive an EBT card in detail EBT card in the mail within 10 days. So on other states, it usually takes 30 days, but California is fast and you'll get your card in 10 days. This works like a debit card and can be used at most grocery stores and farmers market. If you have any questions, you can contact your county office or call the CalFresh hotline number. I believe you can chat with them or call them. Let me show you the number. Okay, so there was a number here, or you could just simply send a message and ask about your application status. And also, CalFresh is available to most Californians, including SSI recipients, student education, and more. Use the fact section to see if you're eligible. And that's it. It is very easy to apply. And just head to getcalfresh.org and upload your documents.